Was a new item. You really be in the air for this long?
Okay. And then you do your fucking invulnerable attack the second I try to clutch call you. In no fucking wall, buddy.
Yo! I'd be trying to do that all game. You do it every time.
It's just knowing the timing, that's all.
I might try and fly him next time he walks up. Just so he can get a little poke.
You gotta really know the monster when you're trying to do clutch claws and whatnot.
I'm missing everything.
Ah, it's lagging.
And when I go for a small, weaker attack, I miss that too. Because it roars.
Nah, give me my fucking steak.
This ain't no boo. You ride other people's horses? I ain't
What
no
the
bitch.
fuck was that noise?
It was a fucking
what
elephant.
was that noise?
You heard that?
That I've never heard before. I think they're hinting at a new monster, Ricky.
Fatalis. Where you
Because I just heard a terrifying noise in the Hoarfrost.
Yeah, we just saw. It literally sounded like an elephant. It sounded like an elephant.
I don't know, dude. That sounded like distorted. That sounded scary as fuck.
You want me to clip
I
it?
would say Barry
Like-
but it could be something else.
That noise